Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
Get your background. Add your watermark made by ChatGPT. Remove its background. Scale and position to your liking. Add start overlay. Remove background and position it like me. Add keyframes start and end. First key move to the left. Add cubic out. Do the same with each overlay, but change the sides of the first keyframe each time you add a new overlay. Keyframes to your watermark, and on first keyframe's position, it up. Add a cubic out. Go to text and write new video game. Add shadow to your liking, and glow to intensity, 35 range 65. Add Arial font. Scale it under your watermark. Add 2 keyframes like me. First key scale it small and put it like me and add fade in animation. Add cubic out. Add text V1.0 with purple glow and text color. Scale it and pause it on it like me. Add keyframes like me. Put text down in first keyframes. Duplicate and change the text to made by and your name. On the second keyframe, scale the text under V1.0. Add cubic out to text. Duplicate text again and copy the copyright symbol from Google and make the text say C 2026. Scale the text under made by your name. Results.